Hi guys! Welcome sa Engineered Math Channel. Ang topic natin ngayon is for differential calculus, which is about power rule, product rule, and quotient rule for derivatives of algebraic functions, part 3. So kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung parts 1 and 2, ililink ko na lang sa description para ma-check nyo muna, para meron na kayong idea or background sa i-discuss natin ngayon. So, ito yung mga na-discuss nating formula sa part 1. Yan, tandaan nyo tong mga formula na to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, gagamitin natin yan ngayon. Sa part 1 and 2, nakapag-solve na tayo ng problems. Umabot tayo hanggang number 27. So, tuloy lang natin. Solve lang tayo ng more problems. Let's have problem number 28. So, ang gagawin pa rin natin dito is find dy over dx or the derivative of x with derivative of y with respect to x. So, given y is equal to 1 over x plus 1 over x squared times 3x cubed plus 27. Yan. So, meron tayong product ng dalawang functions. So, pwede natin gamitin yung product rule, yung na-discuss ko sa part 2. Ang formula sa derivative ng uv, product ng unv, where unv are functions of x and y, it is equal to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So, pwede nyong i-assign any of dito sa dalawa yung u at v. So, pwede natin i-consider as one function itong 1 over x plus 1 over x squared. Gawin ko siyang u. Tapos, itong 3x cubed plus 27, another function, let's say v. So, kaya siya product rule kasi product ng dalawang functions u and v. So, therefore, to find the dy over dx applying product rule, u dv over dx plus v d over dx, copy ko muna yung u, which is yung 1 over x plus 1 over x squared. And then, derivative times the derivative ng v, which is 3x cubed plus 27, plus, copy the v, 3x cubed plus 27, times the derivative of u, which is 1 over x plus 1 over x squared. Okay. So, magiging 1 over x plus 1 over x squared times the derivative of 3x cubed plus 27. So, differentiate natin term by term. So, sa 3x cubed, yung 3 constant copy times the derivative ng x cubed applying power rule. Derivative of x to the n is equal to n, x to the n minus 1. So, bring down muna natin yung 3 na exponent, yung n. Tapos, x raised to n minus 1, so 3 minus 1. So, bale, that's 3 times 3, 9. X raised to 3 minus 1, 2. 9x squared. Plus, the derivative of 27 na constant, di ba, 0. Plus 3x cubed plus 27 times the derivative of 1 over x plus 1 over x squared. Ito, gagawin ko muna siyang, para ma-apply natin yung power rule, pwede natin gawin tong, yung 1 over x, gawin natin x to the negative 1, right? Negative law of exponent. Likewise, sa 1 over x squared, gagawin ko siyang x to the negative 2. So, ito rin nga siya, gagawin ko na rin tong x to the negative 1 plus x to the negative 2. Ito rin. Yan. Applying negative law of exponent. So, para ma-differentiate natin yung x to the negative 1, power rule. So, bring down yung exponent na negative 1. Then, x raised to n minus 1. So, negative 1 minus 1. Or, bale, negative, ano na lang to? Negative x to the negative 2. Alright? Tapos, ito naman, plus the derivative ng x to the negative 2, power rule. Baba nyo yung exponent na negative 2. Then, x raised to negative 2 minus 1. X to the negative 3. Yan. So, pwede natin gawin dito is, etong 9x squared plus 0, so gagawin ko na lang siyang 9x squared na lang. I-simplify na natin. I-distribute ko tong 9x squared, multiply. So, bale, 9x squared times x to the negative 1, 9x raised to, di ba i-add nyo exponent kapag same base, negative 1 plus 2, 1. Or simply 9x na lang. Plus 9x squared times x to the negative 2, bale 9x raised to, add the exponent 2 plus negative 2, or 2 minus 2 yan, 0, right? But x raised to 0 is 1. So, therefore, 9 na lang. Okay? Plus, ito naman, pwede natin tong i-foil. I-foil ko. So, 3x cubed plus x squared. That's 3x raised to, add exponent, 3 plus negative 2, 1. Or simply, sorry, may negative pala to, no? Nakalimutan natin. May negative. Hindi, dito. May negative siya. So, dapat minus to. Yan. Power rule. Next. Ito naman, 3x cube times negative 2x to the negative 3. So, 3 times negative 2, negative 6. Then, x raised to 3 plus negative 3, 0. Or x raised to 0 is 1. So, 6 na lang. Negative 6 na lang. And then, next. Sige, ito muna. Ay, tapos na siya, no? Ito naman. 27 times negative x to the negative 2. Negative 27x to the negative 2. And then, ito, 27 times negative x, negative 2x to the negative 3, negative 54x to the negative 3. Yan. Tapos, ko-combine natin yung similar terms. So, sa 9x, pwede siyang makombine sa etong negative 3x to the first or negative 3x. Bale, 6x. Plus, yung constant, 9 minus 6, 3. And then, ito, copy nyo na lang, wala nang similar terms sa kanila. So, minus 27x to the negative 2, minus 54x to the negative 3. Or kung gusto nyong naka-positive exponent to, gagawin nyo, 6x plus 3 minus 27 over x squared minus 54 over x cubed. Gusto nyong i-combine na sa single fraction. So, ito may mga denominator yan na 1. Ang LCD, bale, is x cubed. So, x cubed divided by 1, x cubed times 6x, 6x to the 4th. Right? Plus x cubed divided by 1, x cubed times 3, 3x cubed. Minus x cubed divided by x, x times 27, negative 27x. Minus x cubed divided by x cubed 1 times 54, 54. Okay? So, kapag single fraction ito, or actually, pwede na rin naman to, or ito. Okay, next. Number 29. 29, y is x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 4. So, another product rule. Okay? So, ito si u, ito si v. So, using product rule, copy natin yung formula. Okay, derivative of y with respect to x is u, copy the u, x minus 2 times derivative ng v, x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus copy the v, x squared plus 2x plus 4 times the derivative of u, x minus 2. So, x minus 2 times the derivative of x squared plus 2x plus 4. So, derivative ng x squared, power rule, 2x, right? Plus derivative ng 2x, so 2 times the derivative of x, 1. So, 2 times 1 is 2 na lang. Plus the derivative of 4, constant 0. So, wag natin isulat yung 0. Then, plus x squared plus 2x plus 4 times the derivative of x minus 2. Derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of 2, 0. So, 1 minus 0, 1 na lang. Yan. And then, pwede natin yang i-simplify further if o-foil ko to. X times 2x, 2x squared. X times 2, 2x. Negative 2 times 2x, negative 4x. Negative 2 times 2, negative 4. Tapos ito, naka times 1 lang naman siya eh. So, ito lang din yon, yung trinomial. X squared plus 2x plus 4. Yan. And then, i-combine natin yung similar terms. So, sa x squared, 2x squared plus x squared is 3x squared. Sa x, 2x minus 4x plus 2x. So, masisiro siya, right? Tapos sa constant, negative 4 plus 4, wala na. 0 na. So, therefore, the answer is 3x squared lang. Okay? Next, number 30. Y is x squared plus x times x squared minus x. Yan. So, another product rule. Okay, so using product rule, assign ko to as u, assign ko to as v. So, therefore, dy over dx is u, copy the u, x squared plus x, times the derivative of v, which is x squared minus x, plus copy the v, x squared minus x, times the derivative of u, x squared plus x. So, x squared plus x times derivative of x squared minus x. Ang derivative ng x squared is 2x minus derivative ng x1 plus x squared minus x times derivative ng x squared plus x. Okay? Derivative ng x squared is 2x plus derivative ng x1. So, pwede natin yung i-foil. So, x squared times 2x, 2x cubed. X squared times negative 1, negative x squared. X times 2x, 2x squared. X times negative 1, negative x. Then, foil din to, x squared times 2x, 2x cubed. X times 1, x squared times 1, positive x squared. Then, negative x times 2x, negative 2x squared. Negative x times 1, negative x. So, ko-combine natin similar terms. Sa x cube, may 2x cube plus 2x cube, bale 4x cubed. Sa x squared, may negative x squared, positive 2x squared, positive x squared, negative 2x squared. So, makakancel. 0. And then, sa x, negative x minus x, negative 2x. Or kung gusto nyo naka-factor, factor nyo sa constancy 2, tapos sa x, power of x si x, bale, 4x cubed divided, ito yung common monomial factor, 2x. 4x cubed divided by 2x, 2x squared. Then minus 2x divided by 2x1. Yan. So, pwedeng ito or naka-factored. Okay. Next, number 31. What if y is 3x plus 4 over x squared plus 1? Ayan, this time, may quotient na tayo. 'Di ba? Quotient kasi fraction na siya eh. So, apply na natin yung quotient rule. Derivative ng u over v, dun sa formula ko sa taas, derivative ng u over v is what? v du over dx minus u dv over dx over v squared. Right? Ito yung quotient rule. So, a-assign ko yung numerator, siya si u. Right? 3x plus 4. Yung denominator, siya si v. X squared plus 1. Okay? So, therefore, dy over dx is, applying the formula, copy the v. V is x squared plus 1 times the derivative of u, which is yung 3x plus 4, minus the u, copy, 3x plus 4, times the derivative of v, x squared plus 1, then all over the square of v, which is x squared plus 1. So, x squared plus 1 quantity squared. So, x squared plus 1 times, so, derivative ng 3x plus 4. Ang derivative ng 3x ay, so, yung 3 constant, copy nyo lang, times the derivative ng x1. So, 3 times 1, 3 na lang. Plus the derivative ng 4 na constant, 0. So, 3 plus 0, 3 na lang. Okay? Minus 3x plus 4 times the derivative of x squared plus 1. So, derivative ng x squared, 2x. Plus derivative ng 1, 0. So, 2x plus 0, 2x na lang. All over x squared plus 1 quantity squared. So, sa simplify natin, distribute yung 3. X squared times 3, 3x squared. Plus 3 times 1, 3. And then, eto, distribute natin yung 2x saka yung negative na rin. So, negative 3x times 2x, negative 6x squared. Tas negative 4 times 2x, negative 8x. So, co-combine pa natin yung similar term sa numerator, 3x squared minus 6x squared, negative 3x squared. Tapos, negative 8x plus 3 over x squared plus 1 quantity squared. So, this is the answer. Okay, next, number 32. Y is equal to x minus 2 over x to the 4th plus x plus 1. So, quotient rule ulit. Quotient ng dalawang functions. So, applying quotient rule. Ang formula natin ay ito ulit. So, ito si u, yung numerator. Ito si v, yung denominator. So, dy over dx applying quotient rule is copy the v, x to the 4th plus x plus 1 times derivative of u, which is x minus 2, minus copy the u, x minus 2, times the derivative of v, x to the 4th plus x plus 1, then over the square of v, the denominator, x to the 4th plus x, plus 1 squared. Yan. And then we differentiate x to the fourth plus x plus 1 copy times the derivative of x minus 2. Derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of 2, 0. So 1 minus 0, 1 na lang. Minus x minus 2 times derivative of x to the fourth plus x plus 1. So derivative of x to the fourth, power rule. Baba yung 4, x raised to 4 minus 1, 3. 4x cubed. Then, plus derivative of x, 1. Plus derivative of 1, 0. So, wag natin sulat yung 0. Yan. Over x to the fourth plus x plus 1. Quantity squared. Simplifying, so ito times 1 lang naman eh. So, x, ito lang yan, yung x to the fourth plus x plus 1 lang. Minus, ito pwede natin yung i-foil. Foil natin to. X times 4x cubed is 4x to the fourth. Right? Tapos, x times 1, positive x. Negative 2 times 4x cubed, negative 8x cubed. And then, negative 2 times 1, negative 2. Divided by x to the fourth plus x plus 1 squared. So, iaano pa natin to? Didistribute pa natin yung negative. So, negative 4x to the fourth minus x. Then, negative times negative 8x cubed, positive 8x cubed. Negative times negative 2, positive 2. Yan. Divided by x to the fourth plus x plus 1 squared. Ko-combine natin yung similar terms sa numerator. Sa x to the fourth, pwedeng i-combine tong dalawa. X to the fourth minus 4x to the fourth. Negative 3x to the fourth. Next, highest exponent. Higher exponent yung x cube. Walang makakombine, no? Kopyahin lang natin. Plus 8x cube. Next, x na. So, sa x minus x, cancel lang. 0. Tapos, sa constant, 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. Yan. Over x to the fourth plus x plus 1 squared. Yan. So, this is the answer. Okay, next. Number 33. Y is x squared over 3x minus 4. So, quotient rule ulit. Formula. Ito. So, yung numerator, siya yung palaging u. Denominator, siya yung palaging v. Okay? So, therefore, dy over dx, applying quotient rule is equal to, copy the v sa numerator, 3x minus 4, times the derivative of u, yung x squared, minus copy the u, x squared, times the derivative of v, yung denominator, 3x minus 4. And then, over v squared. So, v is 3x minus 4 quantity squared. So, 3x minus 4, copy, times the derivative of x squared is power rule 2x minus x squared times the derivative of 3x minus 4. So, derivative nun 3x, yung 3 constant, copy, times the derivative of x, 1. So, 3 times 1, 3. Minus derivative ng 4, 0. So, 3 minus 0, 3 na lang. Okay. Over 3x minus 4 quantity squared. Yan. So, pwede nating i-distribute yung 2x. So, magiging ano na to? 3x times 2x, 6x squared. Negative 4 times 2x, negative 8x. Ito naman, negative x squared times 3, negative 3x squared. Divided by 3x minus 4 squared. So, mako-combine pa natin yung 6x squared minus 3x squared. 3x squared. Then minus 8x over 3x minus 4 squared. Yan. So, this is the answer. Okay, next. Number 34. What if y is 2x squared plus 5 over 3x minus 4? Another quotient rule. So, applying the quotient rule formula, ito. So, yung numerator is yung u, denominator is yung v. Right? So, dy over dx is quotient rule, copy the v, 3x minus 4 times derivative ng u, 2x squared plus 5 minus copy the u, 2x squared plus 5 times derivative ng v, 3x minus 4. Then over the square ng v, 3x minus 4 quantity squared equal to 3x minus 4 times derivative of 2x squared plus 5. So, sa 2x squared, copy nyo yung 2 constant times sa derivative ng x squared, 2x. So, 2 times 2, 4. So, magiging 4x. Plus, the derivative ng 5 na constant, 0. So, bali, 4x plus 0, 4x na lang. Then, minus 2x squared plus 5 times the derivative of 3x minus 4. So, derivative ng 3x, copy nyo lang yung 3 constant times derivative ng x, 1. So, 3 times 1, 3. Minus derivative ng 4, 0. So, 3 minus 0, 3 na lang. Over 3x minus 4 quantity squared. So, i-distribute natin tong 4x, multiply each term. So, 3x times 4x. 12x squared. Negative 4 times 4x, negative 16x. Ito, yung negative, tsaka yung 3, i-distribute natin. So, negative 2x squared times 3, negative 6x squared. And then, negative 5 times 3, negative 15. Divided by 3x minus 4 squared. Okay? So, mako-combine natin si 12x squared minus 6x squared, 6x squared. Then, minus, copy nyo na lang yung 16x, saka yung minus 15. Over 3x minus 4 squared. So, this is the answer. Okay, next. Number 35. What if y is 2 square root of x plus 1 times x minus 1 divided by x plus 3? Yan. So, quotient rule ulit. Kasi may quotient. So, kung gusto nyo, i-simplify nyo na itong numerator para hindi nyo na-apply ng product rule if you want. Sige, simplify na natin. Ito kasing yung square root of x, pwede nyo yung isulat as 2x raised to 1/2 plus 1. Diba? Kasi square root of x is x raised to 1/2. So, pag finoil natin, 2x raised to 1/2 times x to the first, bale 2x raised to, add nyo exponent, 1/2 plus 1, 3/2. Tapos, 2x to the 1/2 times negative 1, negative 2x to the 1/2. And then, 1 times x, x, positive x, 1 times negative 1, negative 1. Divided by x plus 3. So, para yung union na is, eto na lang, etong expression, yung apat na terms. So, ito si u, ito si v. So, dy over dx applying quotient rule. So, copy the v, which is yung x plus 3. Then, times the derivative nung u. Ito yung u. 2x raised to 3/2 minus 2x raised to 1/2 plus x minus 1. Then, minus u, copy the u. 2x raised to 3/2 minus 2x raised to 1/2 plus x minus 1 times the derivative of v. Urong natin. Kasi x plus 3 x plus 3 divided by the square nung denominator v, x plus 3 squared. Okay. So, x plus 3 times derivative neto. So, power rule isa-isa. So, 2 times derivative nung x raised to 3/2, baba yung 3/2 na exponent. Then, x raised to 3/2 minus 1. So, ito cancel na yung 2, 3 na lang. So, 3x raised to 3/2 minus 1, 1/2. No? Yan. Tapos, minus 2. Copy yung negative 2, constant, times derivative ng x raised to 1/2, power rule. Baba yung 1/2 na exponent. Then, x raised to 1/2 minus 1. So, 2 times 1/2, cancel na. 1 na lang. X raised to 1/2 minus 1, negative 1/2. Tapos, plus derivative ng x, 1, diba? Minus derivative ng 1, 0. So, wag natin sulat yung 0. Yan. Then, minus 2x raised to 3/2 minus 2x raised to 1/2 plus x minus 1. Copy, ito. Times the derivative ng x plus 3. Derivative ng x, 1. Plus derivative ng 3, 0. So, 1 plus 0, 1 na lang. Okay. Divided by x plus 3 squared. So, ang gagawin ko dito, pwede natin niyang i-multiply. Okay, so ito muna, distribute. So, x times 3x to the 1/2. 3x raised to, diba, add nyo exponent. X to the 1 plus 1/2, 3/2. Tas, x times negative x raised to negative 1/2. Negative x raised to, add exponent, 1 plus negative 1/2, or 1 minus 1/2, 1/2. Then, x times 1, positive x. Next, ito naman si 3, distribute. 3 times 3x raised to 1/2, 9x raised to 1/2. 3 times negative x raised to negative 1/2, negative 3x raised to the negative 1/2. Then, 3 times 1, positive 3. Ito, naka times 1 lang. So, kahit wag nyo isulat yung times 1, ito pa rin siya. Pero, may naka multiply na negative 1 dito sa harap. So, i-distribute nyo yung negative. So, magiging negative 2x raised to 3/2. Negative times negative, positive 2x raised to 1/2. urong pa natin. Tapos, negative of x, and negative of negative 1, positive 1. Divided by x plus 3 squared. Yan. So, co-combine pa natin yung mga similar terms. Ang similar ay ito, 3x to the 3 halves minus 2x to the 3 halves. 1x to the 3 halves or x raised to the 3 halves. Sa x raised to 1 half, ito, ano pa? Ito. So, negative 1 plus 9, 8 plus 2, 10. 10x raised to 1 half. Sa negative or sa x, etong dalawa, no? Kakancel na natin x minus x, wala na, 0 na. Next, dito sa x to the negative 1 half, meron ba similar? Wala, no? So, copy nyo lang. Tapos, sa constant, 3 plus 1, 4. Divided by x plus 3 squared. Tapos, ito kasi negative exponent. So, gagawin nyo, iaalisin nyo yung negative exponent. Imo-multiply nyo both numerator and denominator by x raised to 1 half. Diba? Kasi ito, pwede siyang isulat as 3 over x raised to 1 half. Complex fraction siya. Diba? So, para mawala yung complex fraction, multiply nyo by x raised to 1 half. Both numerator and denominator. So, distribute. So, x raised to 3 halves times x raised to 1 half. Ilan na yan? X raised to 4 over 2. Or 2x squared. Plus 10 x raised to 1 half times x raised to 1 half, x raised to 2 over 2, or x raised to the first, or x. Minus 3 over x to the 1 half times x to the 1 half, cancel, 3 na lang. Plus 4x to the 1 half. Then divided by, ito, multiply nyo lang, so x to the 1 half, x plus 3 squared. Or gawin yung radical form, x squared plus 10x minus 3 plus 4 squared of x over squared of x times x plus 3 squared. So, this is the answer. Sige, isa pa. Number 36. Y is equal to 2 square root of x plus 1 times 2 minus x divided by x squared plus 3x. Okay? So, another quotient rule. So, yung numerator, siya si U, ito si V. So, kung gusto nyo, yung ginawa natin kanina, i-expand nyo na yung numerator. Expand na natin tong numerator para puro power rule na lang, wala nang product rule. So, Y is, kasi pwedeng isulat yung square root of x raised to 1 half plus 1 times 2 minus x. Ito, yung square root of x in x raised to 1 half. Yan. So, kapag finoil natin, foil ko to, 2x to the 1 half times 2, 4x to the 1/2. 2x times negative x, negative 2x raised to 1/2 plus 1, 3/2. Then 1 times 2, 2. Then 1 times negative x, over x squared plus 3x. Para ito na lang yung u natin, puro power rule na lang tayo, wala nang product rule. Tapos yung v denominator. So applying quotient rule, dy over dx is, so copy the v, yung x squared plus 3x times derivative ng u, etong numerator, 4x to the 1/2 minus 2x to the 3/2 plus 2 minus x, tapos minus u, 4x to the 1/2 minus 2x to the 3/2 plus 2 minus x, hindi kasya, urong, times sa derivative ng v, x squared, hindi pa rin kasya, dy over dx minus derivative ng x squared plus 3x, pinagkasya na lang. Then, divided by the square ng v, x squared plus 3x squared. So, applying the derivative na natin, applying power rule dito. So, sa 4x to the 1/2, copy yung 4 constant, times derivative ng x to the 1/2, applying power rule, baba yung 1/2 na exponent, then x raised to 1/2 minus 1. So, 4 times 1/2, 2 na lang to. Tas x raised to 1/2 minus 1, negative 1/2. Dito naman, minus 2, copy constant, times derivative ng x raised to 3/2, so baba yung 3/2 exponent, then x raised to 3/2 minus 1. So, cancel yung 2, negative 3 na lang. X raised to 3/2 minus 1, 1/2. X raised to 1/2. Plus, derivative ng 2 constant, 0. So, wag natin isulat. 0 na lang. Minus x derivative is 1. Then, minus 4x to the 1/2 minus 2x to the 3/2 minus 2 minus x times derivative ng x squared plus 3x. Derivative ng x squared is 2x plus, urungan natin. Yan. Derivative ng 3x. 3 times 1, 3. Yan. So, i-ano natin, over x squared plus 3x squared. I-ano natin, i-foil or i-multiply, distribute. So, ito muna. X squared times 2x to the negative 1/2. So, 2x raised to, add yung exponent, 2 plus negative 1/2 or 2 minus 1/2, 3/2. Then, x squared times negative 3, x to the 1/2, negative 3x raised to 2 plus 1/2, 5/2. Then, x squared times negative 1, negative x squared. Ito naman, 3x times 2x to the negative 1/2, 3 times 2, positive 6, x raised to, add the exponent, 1 plus negative 1/2, 1/2. 3x times negative 3x to the 1/2, negative 9x raised to 1 plus 1/2, 3/2. Then 3x times negative 1, negative 3x. Ito naman, ganun din. So, i-foil natin ulit. Tuloy ko dito. Medyo hindi magkakasya. Minus, yan. Pag final natin, ito muna. Okay, 4x to the 1/2 times 2x, 8x to the 1/2, exponent ni x is 1, 1/2 plus 1, 3/2. Then, next tayo, eto na. Negative 2x to the 3/2 times 2x, negative 4x raised to 3/2 plus 1, 5/2. Tapos, 2x times negative 2, negative 4x. Negative x times 2x, negative 2x squared. Okay, tapos ito naman. 4x to the 1/2 times 3, positive 12x to the 1/2. Hindi pa magkakasya. Urong ko. Tapos, 3 times negative 2x to the 3/2, negative 6x to the 3/2. Then, 3 times negative 2, negative 6. Then, negative x times 3, negative 3x. Tama ba? Ay, sorry. Tama ba? Positive pala to. No? Positive. Sorry. So, kung positive to, so, dapat ito ay, yung kanina, ito is positive 3x. Tapos ito, positive 4x. Yan. Okay. Positive pala to. Mali yung nakopya ko. Yan. So, next, divided by x squared plus 3x squared. So, ang gagawin natin, bago ma-combine yan, i-distribute nyo to, yung negative. Sige, copy ko na lang to. Etong, kasi, kokopyahin lang natin, same lang yan. O-opposite natin itong mga sign. So, magiging minus, ano yan? Minus 8x to the 3/2 plus 4x to the 5/2 minus 4x plus 2x squared minus 12x to the 1/2 plus 6x to the 3/2. Then, mali. Ito pa, anong ginawa ko dito? Yung plus 2 times 3, sorry. Ito yung binago ko, no? It should be, tama lang to, negative 3x. Ito, 2 times 3, 6. So, ito dapat yung positive 6. Yan. Mali yung binago ko kanina. No? Kasi 2 times 3, positive 6, tas yung negative x times 3, negative 3x. So, kapag minus na, in-opposite sign yung 6, magiging minus 6. In-opposite sign yung negative 3x, positive 3x. Okay, ayan. Then, divided by x squared plus 3x squared. So, i-combine pa natin yan. Yung mga similar terms sa numerator. So, sa ano muna tayo? Sa x to the 3 halves power. Ito. So, ilan yan? Ito ay negative, tas negative, negative 17. Tapos, ito ay 8. 2 plus 6, 8. So, negative 17 plus 8, negative 9. X to the 3 halves. Okay. Next. Sa 5 halves, ano yung mga similar? Ito, x to the 5 halves. Ano pa? 4x to the 5 halves. Yan lang. So, ano yan? Negative 3 plus 4, positive 1, x to the 5 halves. Sa x squared, ano yung mga similar kay x squared? Ito. Dalawa lang. Negative x squared plus 2x squared, positive x squared. Tapos, sa x to the 1 half, ito, ano pa? Yan lang. So, 6 minus 12, negative 6x to the 1 half. Next, sa x term, ito, negative 3x, negative 4x, positive 3x. Yan lang. So, ito makakancel nyo yung 3x. Negative 4x. Tapos, wala na ba? Meron ng mga sign. Etong constant na lang. Minus 6. Yan. Tapos, over x squared plus 3x squared. Yan. Wala namang negative exponent. So, yan na yung sagot. Okay. So, nakasolve na tayo ng 36. So, siguro okay na yan. Next lesson na tayo sa susunod. Abangan nyo na lang yung next lesson natin. Siguro chain rule naman. Wala pa kasi tong chain rule eh. Puro power rule pa lang. Sige, next lesson na lang yon. So, that's it for this topic. Power rule, product rule, and quotient rule for derivatives of algebraic functions. So, subscribe na lang kayo sa ating YouTube channel, Engineered Math. And hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo kung mayroon na tayong bagong uploaded video tutorials. So, ililink ko na lang sa description yung mga past video tutorials natin sa differential calculus, pati yung pinaka-playlist na rin ng differential calculus. Para mapanood nyo simula sa unang lesson hanggang sa dulong lesson nyo yung mga video tutorials natin. para meron na kayong video tutorial playlist guide from our YouTube channel para sa buong subject nyo na differential calculus. So, pwede nyo nang i-binge watch yun, i-marathon, pag kailangan nyong mag-advanced study or mag-review kapag may exam. So, good luck sa mga nagtitake ng differential calculus. Kayang-kaya nyo yan. Basta mag-solve lang kayo ng maraming problems, practice. And note kayo palagi ng video tutorials ko sa YouTube. Gawin yung guide yung playlist ko sa differential calculus. Pag pinanood nyo yun, binge watch nyo lahat, mas malaki na yung chance nyo to pass the differential calculus. Kasi sunod-sunod na yung mga topics doon. Practice na lang din talaga kayo. Sige, so ganito na lang muna tayo. See you on my next video tutorial. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.